Hey guys, so it's payday again in Gain Protocol. So today is the 12th day of October and the salary income has been distributed. So I have another $50 sitting on my wallet. So I want to withdraw this today. Okay. Before I do that, let me check my balance on MetaMask. So I don't have USDT balance here. Okay. This way, we will see how fast the withdrawals from Gain Protocol. So let me withdraw my earnings now from Salary Achievement. So let's click withdrawals and withdraw now. So I have the maximum amount for instant withdrawal, which is $50. So let's see how fast it is. Let me choose Tether USDT and then $50. Okay. Then click withdraw now. Send OTP. So the OTP will be sent to my email address. So here you go, 987609. Click confirm. There you go, redeem successfully. So I have now zero balance again, and yeah, I will wait for another earnings. All right. But yeah, my remaining withdrawal limit has been decreased into 85.85. So when this turns into zero, I will just accumulate my earnings so that I can use that to upgrade my rank. Okay, so here we go, the notifications that my withdrawal has been approved. So again, Gain Protocol is for long term, and yeah, this is a long-term passive income. So let me check my MetaMask now. Let's see if my withdrawals is there already. Okay. So there you go. I have a $45 sitting here. So there's only a 10% admin fee, which is $5 from my $50 withdrawals. So again, withdrawal is very instant. And that's my update for Gain. And yeah, let's gain more. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.